guys, so welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to style your hair, blow dry it, and style it this way. Like very quick and easy way to do it, and it will last all day. Like this volume, and then how to wear it up. So first I'm going to show how to blow dry it, and then I'm going to help you style it, which is super easy. So if this is something you want to learn, if you have short pixie hair, then keep on watching. The best thing to do is section your hair so then you know which parts you have blow dried and which parts you haven't. The back of my hair is, if I can show you guys, it's pretty short. So like I can't see where I'm sectioning, so I'll just do something like this. And try not to fall when you're doing all this. So, oh my god, how funny. These products match my hair. So this one is a Seal the Deal. It's for split ends. It's a lotion. You can put it on dry hair or on damp hair. I like to put it on damp hair. So I just take that one. You just put it on the ends. People always ask me, like, since I color my hair so much, everybody asks me how my hair is still healthy. And I think it's like these products. These products really, really work. So after I do that, we're gonna take this Active Recovery Repair Blow Dry Mousse. So before blow drying, we're gonna, that's probably way too much. Just put it all over. Oh, take the clip out. Put that all over. I dumped a big chunk on the floor, but you can't see that, so that's that. So yeah, my hair is wet right now, and we're gonna, since I want to wear my hair up, I'm gonna have to blow dry it up. If you're gonna wear your hair down, then you want to blow dry it down. So for this video, since I want to style it up, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna blow dry it up. All of these products smell so yummy. Okay, you're gonna need a round brush for this. Depending on how long your hair is, then you choose the size that's appropriate. My hair is pretty short, as you can see, so I'm using this guy. I'd like to start off by blow drying the back of my hair first and then like move forward. So I'm gonna try to turn around. So I wear the back down and then the rest of the hair up. So actually, before doing that, we're gonna blow dry the hair. Okay, now that my hair is not super wet, we're gonna start by sectioning it and then start blow drying. You're gonna need one of these guys, round brush. Stop guys, I'm busy. Don't you know I'm filming? So, the back is gonna be down, so we're gonna blow dry it down. What you wanna do is, this is what you do, I don't know, can you see? So you do 1, 2, 3, and then let it cool. So now it's cooling. See? You see the magic? Okay? And then you want to do like whatever your hair wants to do. You can't really force your hair to do something else. Like you gotta see like, okay, this part of my hair wants to go this way. So then I'm gonna go blow dry it this way. Cool. See? And then we're gonna section this. But if I had a clip normally, I would clip it right here, but we don't have a clip. So you take this, stick the brush in here, like so. let it cool. So yeah, like 1, 2, 3, cool. 1, 2, 3, cool. 1, 2, 3, cool. And see? Lucky. Lucky. And then I like to do this side. Same thing. Section it like so. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is like curl this up, so that, and then the front I'm gonna go back. Okay, so then I take this part, section that, and then I'm gonna do this towards the back. So cool. You see what's happening? And then take another section. So we wanted our hair up, and it is up right now. I'm gonna have to do the sides again. Because they don't look like the way I would want them to look like. But the hair is up, and then when you style it, it's not gonna look poof, but this is just blow drying it. See how I like brought it over and did that thing? Yeah. See guys, the hair is up. I got shit ton of volume, and I've only used the mousse in my hair. I haven't even put any products in there, and you already got this volume and your hair is up. So now that blow drying is done, like hair is up and stuff, we're gonna style it. What I like doing to make sure that the sides do stay up is you're gonna need a hairspray. Currently I'm loving this one by Sexy Hair. It's called Control Me. I've never been able to get this right, so don't mind me. I'll tag it in the description. So this one is a heat protectant hairspray, and it says it keeps styles up to 72 hours. It doesn't make your hair crunchy, so that's why I like it. I only do the sides, so this side and this side. So you're just gonna spray this area and use a blow dryer. So you hold your hair up like this and then spray, and then blow dry where you sprayed. So this way, like, see like how your hair stays, like, see how this side is not as stiff and straight up like that? So that's what it does. So now the hair is up, but you want to do something about this whole poofy situation. You're gonna take a hair paste, mousse, whatever you like using. I'm gonna use the styling paste by Sexy Hair. There's not much left in it because I love this stuff. This is a flexible hold. It's not super strong, and that's what I like. I don't like having shit ton of product in my hair, and when it feels crunchy, no bueno. So take that, put it in your palm, and then you do that. And you just do this. Because you want the product in the ends only. So just like, kind of like, do this. Okay, so now that the product is in the ends. Oh, and then if you want, I like to tame the sides of my hair like this. So whatever leftover product I have in my hands, I put it on the sides and the back. So when that's done, whatever product is left in your hand, you can start playing around with your hair. Like twist it or like move it, however you want to style it. Like, I'm happy with this, so I'm just gonna leave it. You know, that crisscross situation, that's when you blow dry your hair, just sides you blow dry them in, then you get this kind of effect. I hope you found all these tips and tricks helpful. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more short hair tutorials, pixie hair tutorials, or makeup tutorials. Go ahead and subscribe.